I repeat the question. Question number 1. Why the poet finds himself in a state of trance? Question 2. What are the imageries? imageries. What are the imageries the poet feels in his mind as narrated in the second stanza? Question 3. If the poet's beloved would have alive, what she would exhibit which she cannot do now? If the poet's beloved would have alive, what she would exhibit which she cannot do now? Question 4. The quote from the poem. The touch of earthly years, first stanza, last line. The touch of earthly years within inverted comma. Clarify the line. The touch of earthly years. Just in the beginning when I started my teaching, I told you. The touch of earthly years. Clarify the line. Question number 5. Give the synonym of spirit. Give the synonym of spirit. So guys, this much for the day. First you read the poem. Once again, only 2 stanzas. You read the poem thoroughly, each and every line. Again I am telling you, in my previous class I told you, once again I am telling you, read the poem thoroughly. Though the poem consists of 2 stanzas, but you have to understand each and every line. It is a philosophy of Wordsworth. It is a philosophy of Wordsworth, just like Solitary Reaper, just like 3 years she grew in sun and shower. The same, the slumber did my spirit see. So, philosophical poem, autobiographical poem, you can say this is an autobiographical poem of Wordsworth. This is the self-revelation of Wordsworth. He has revealed his feelings, his state of mind, his despair, his distress, his grief after demise of his beloved Lucy. And this is one of the Lucy poem out of the series of Wordsworth's Lucy poem. Wordsworth has written series of Lucy poem. So it is also one of the series of Lucy poem. So try to understand it. I hope that you have understood, because each and every line I have told you, I have narrated, I have explained. This much I can do. So after that, you have written the central idea. You have already in my previous lecture, you wrote questions. I gave you questions, and I hope that you have solved the questions, memorized all the word meanings, whatever the words or whatever the word, only words or word meanings, those are given in the book, in your NCERT book. You memorize from the book also, note it down in your copy, and apart from that, you underline the words which you don't or you can't understand. Search it out and note it down in your copy. Search the words and note down in your copy. And then you solve these 5 questions. You can take the reference of the central idea. If you want to take the reference of central idea, you can use. You can answer the questions. Pick up some words, pick up some sentences from the central idea, and you answer the questions. So this much for the day, guys. Take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.